Hello everyone, my name is Yash Patel. Today's topic is cell. Cells are fundamental building blocks of all living organisms, serving as the smallest units capable of performing essential life process. From of the microscopic bacteria that populate almost every environment up to the trillions of cells that compose the human body. Cells play a critical role in supporting life. They carry out a wide variety of the functions from energy production, the reproductions, and the come in various forms, such as eukaryotic and the prokaryotic cells, each with a unique structure and the function. The cells have two types of cells: the prokaryotics and the eukaryotics. The prokaryotics, these are cells. These are the simpler of the two types are typically found in unicellular organisms like bacteria and the archaea. The prokaryotic cells lack a true nucleus and the membrane around the organelles, meaning their genetic material float freely within the cell. The primary structure includes a cell wall, plasma membrane, the ribosomes, and the nucleate, where DNA is located. Despite their simplicity, prokaryotic cells are highly adaptive and can survive in extreme environments such as hot springs and the saline lakes. The second one is eukaryotic cell. These cells are more complex and are found in multicellular organisms, including plants, animals, fungi, and the protists. These cells contain a nucleus which houses the genetic material and various membrane bound organelles that perform specific functions. The cell's internal organizations allows for a more efficient and regulated process, the contributing to the complexity seen in multicellular organisms. The key organelles in eukaryotic cells include the nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus, and the liposomes. The key components of a cell. The first one, plasma membrane. These outer layers act as a selective barrier controlling what enters and exits in the cell. The composite of the phospholipid bilayer with the embedded proteins in provided structure, support, and protection, maintaining in the internal environment of the cells. The second one is the nucleus, often referred to as the control center of the cell. The nucleus stores the cell of DNA and is involved in regulating gene expression and cell division. It contains the nucleus which is involved in ribosomes synthesis. Third one is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that fills the cell, providing a medium in which organelles can remain suspended and facilitating molecular transport and chemical reaction. Fourth one is mitochondria. Is known as the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria are the responsible for producing energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate through the cellular respirations. This process converts glucose and oxygen into energy, which is essential for the cell's functions. The fifth one is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of the membranes involved in proteins and the lipid synthesis. The rough electronic reticulum, which is tucked into the ribosomes, the synthesis proteins, while the smooth is involved in lipid production and the detoxification. Sixth one is the Golgi apparatus. This organelle is responsible for modifying and sorting and packaging proteins and the lipids for transport to other parts of the cell or outside the cell. It acts like a cellular post office, ensuring that the molecules reach their destination. The seventh one is lysosomes. Lysosomes is the content digestive enzyme that break down waste material and the cellular debris, playing a crucial role in the cellular the cleanup and recycling process. Eighth one is the ribosomes. These are the small structure either floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the ribosomes, are essential for protein synthesis, translating genetic instructions from the nucleus into functional proteins. Thank you.